Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another dunk for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's open the box and find out which one it is. There we go. As you can see, I want them from Dover Street Market, which is like a market. I did not win this one, unfortunately. I had to pay the resale, and there you can see it is the pumpkin color. Here we are. Okay. So as you can see, these are the Nike Dunk ceramics. These are from the the old Japanese packs when they released all the dunks in Japan, the ugly duckling pack, and these are the re-release. As you can see, very nice. Let's start off with the suede quality. Very nice color changing suede, even to the thick, even to the black bits. And if we go to the bottom, you got the nice orange with the white, and then the contrast with the orange, the black, and the green. It looked like the original pumpkin patch. And then you got the jet black orange with the Nike, the back with the nice Nike. You got the tongue. It is a very nice shoe, and these came in a pack. I will show you because I have all of them. So you got the orange one, you got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one, and then you got the purple one, the purple Joker. So yeah, these three are all from the same pack, but I will do reviews of these ones separately, so check out the reviews. Okay, back to the shoe. Yeah, this shoe, when it first came out, a lot of people didn't like it. They thought it's like very orangey. They did not, mess with it. But now the resale value has gone up. You could have got this before. I believe the price of them are like normal dunks. They were only £90, but now the resale has gone up to around £200, I believe. I only paid 150 Ugandan pounds for my one, so that was a good deal. I think I skanked the guy selling it to me. Yes, but these ones will go up in the future, so if you want to grab them now, grab them now. Highly recommend these. I'll give you an on-hand shoot. This is how they look on hand. So as you can see, if you wear blue socks, they will look nice. I don't have the budget just to do a on feet, but very nice on hand. These remind me of my cousin. He always liked to play with pumpkins in Halloween, so I like these ones. This is how they look from the front. Very nice. Do they come with extra laces? Nope, does not look like it. Yes, so I will highly recommend these. If you can grab them for a good price, then get them. These will only go up. Part of the ugly duckling pack, but these are not that ugly. Okay guys, as always, if you like what you see, please subscribe, follow me on all the good stuff. If you like the video, like the video, and I will catch you on the next one. As always, believe.